Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the crazy cat lady here, and I got my new YouTuber merch on, Rich Lux. You gotta go to his YouTube channel. He's cool, he's funny. I just love him, he's hilarious. And he's really a cool drama channel. So I'm here to show you, this is, I couldn't get the big. This is from Jeffree Star, Shane. They collabed and made a palette. Let's see if I can get this open to show you. All right. Okay. And this is what I got. This picture. I love it. This is very cool, and just they love their makeup, I'm telling you. So it comes in like this. This is the mini controversy. I can't even pronounce it. I can't even pronounce it. But anyways, this is the mini one. The mini palette came nice and wrapped up. I got able to get a hold of this, and this is the outside of it, and at least I got a hold of this. I was happy to be able to get a hold of this. I wanted, oh, this is so cool. Look at how shiny this is. And I know I'm late to the party on this, but look at how cute. They have the blues, and I just love the imprints that they have in it. So I'm going to swatch some of these for you. The simulation canceled. The very dark blue here. I'm going to try that. Ooh, look at that. Very pigmented. And then I'm going to try the light blue here. I'm going to definitely try this out on my eyes. I think I'm going to do a separate video. I said that with the BoxyCharm one. This is very light pink. That is the exposed shade. This one is controversy. Oops, I mixed it. Oh no, I mixed them. But the purple. This one is Diet Root Beer is in the middle. So let me just do this hand. Just mix it. Oh, that's cool. This one is My Boyfriend's Purse. This light one. This is a good brow one here. Love that. And then this one is Cry on My Couch. The middle one with the eye with a drip. Look at this. And then Flat Earth is that one right there. So this is a really, really cool palette. Once again, love it. Has a nice cute mirror. Really, really cute. And let me wipe off my hands. I'll put it in, throw that away anyway. So I'm going to give you a bird's eye view so you can look at it like right from, let's see. So that is the colors. Look at how beautiful those are. So my battery is dying. I'm gonna have to let you go. But once again, thank you so much for being here, supporting me in every way. I love you all. And remember, just be yourself and love yourself. And until the next time, see you later. And remember, subscribe and hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Love you all and have a great day.